Hey, what's up YouTube? We got a new CIVIVI that arrived on the shelf. I'm really excited about this one. It's a PRAXIS in carbon fiber handle. It is threaded with copper. And it got a black Stonewashed 9CR 18 MOV blade. Let's open it. Yes, always got this nice little taco pouch. I love it. Yeah, I'm sticker. CIVIVI sticker, yeah. Oh, nice little microfiber. Here it is. Look at this beauty. Wow. I love these handles. So beautiful. Wow, nice action. Amazing action. Nice little backspacer. Look at this copper. Amazing. And a great blade shape. And a long blade like I like. Here's a little size comparison. With a CIVIVI Momentum. Oh, you see how big it is? And with a Conspirator. Pretty much the same size and same blade length. As you can see, pretty much the same blade shape. And this one doesn't have the cutout and a bigger jimping. Great air goes. Really nice knife. Beautiful handles. And smooth.